Hi friends, welcome to my channel Sara's Crochet. Before we get into the video, if you are new to my channel, please do subscribe it and watch the video till the end. Now wind yarn 2 times around the finger, insert the crochet hook and pull the first loop through the second one. Then make one chain. Now the magic circle is ready. You can pull the tail to adjust the circle size. Now you have to work 3 chain. This 3 chain will be considered as 1 double crochet. Next you have to work another double crochet. Next you have to work 3 chain. Then you have to work 2 double crochet together. Yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2 loop. Again yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over and pull through 2 loop. Now you have to pull through all the 3 loop. Again you have to work 3 chain. Then you have to work 2 double crochet together. Here we have worked 2 double crochet together 6 times with 3 chain space. Now above the second double crochet you have to make a slip stitch. First round ends here. For the second round you have to start from the chain space. Make a slip stitch. Now you have to join the next color. Join them and you have to work 3 chain. Hold both the ends behind the work and work along with them. Now you have to work 4 double crochet in the same chain space. 1, 2, 3, and then 4. After you have completed 4 double crochet, again you have to work 3 chain and you have to make a slip stitch in the same chain space. Here we have completed the first petal. Now you have to move to the next space and you have to make a slip stitch. Work 3 chain and work another 4 double crochet. Now you have to work 3 chain and you have to make a slip stitch in the same space. You have to repeat the same pattern for all the chain space. You have to make a slip stitch in the first chain space to complete this round. Here we have completed the first layer of flower. Next you have to work 5 chain and you have to make a slip stitch in between the next 2 petals. Now again you have to make 5 chain, and again you have to work a slip stitch in between the next 2 petals. Continue to work 5 chain behind all the petals. I will be showing this in fast mode. If you wish, you can slow down the video on the settings in the top right corner of the video. Now we have completed working behind all the petals. Now you have to join the last and the first one by slip stitch. If you turn the flower, it will look like this. Next we will move to the fourth round. Work 3 chain and you have to work 6 double crochet in the chain space. Here we have completed working 6 double crochet. Now you have to work 3 chain and you have to make a slip stitch in the same chain space. Next you have to move to the next chain space, make a slip stitch, work 3 chain, then 6 double crochet, after 6 double crochet you have to work 3 chain and make a slip stitch in the same chain space. You have to repeat the same step for all the chain space. Here we have completed the second layer of flower. Now you have to make a slip stitch in the same chain space. And you have to make a slip stitch in the next chain space also, which I have missed here. Now you have to work 5 chain, make a slip stitch in between the next 2 petals. Now again you have to make 5 chain, make a slip stitch in between the next 2 petals. You have to repeat working 5 chain behind all the petals. After you have completed working chains behind all the petals, for the next round you have to work 4 chain, 6 double crochet in the first chain space. Here we have completed the first double crochet. Now we are working the second one. Third double crochet, 4, 5 and then 6. Now we have completed working 6 double crochet. Next you have to work 4 chain and make a slip stitch in the same chain space. For the next petal, you have to make a slip stitch in the next chain space and you have to continue to work 4 chain, 6 double crochet and 4 chain and a slip stitch in the second chain space. So we will be repeating the same pattern for the third layer of flower. Now we have completed the third round. For the fourth round, you have to start the work with 6 chain. For the third round, we have worked 4 chains and for the fourth round, we have worked 6 chains. Make a slip stitch in between the next 2 petals. Again you have to work 6 chain and make a slip stitch in between the next 2 petals. You have to repeat the same behind all the petals. After we have completed working the chains behind the third layer of flower, for the fourth layer I am joining the next color. In the first chain space you have to work 5 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4 and then 5. Next you have to work triple crochet 6 times. Here we have completed working 6 triple crochet in the first chain space. Now you have to work 5 chain and make a slip stitch in the same space. Now we have completed the first petal for the fourth layer. You have to repeat the same. Here we have completed working 6 petals for the fourth layer. Now finally you have to work 1 chain, leave a long loop, cut the yarn, tie the knot and you have to sew the end behind the work. Push the center part of the flower to move the petals towards inward. Now if you wish to sew this flower, you have to sew the center part and the outer layer in any fabric or in any headband. It has beautiful 4 layers. You can increase or decrease the layer as you wish. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you have any doubts, you can ask me in comment section. I hope I explained this video as clear as possible. If you like it, please do like the video, share it and subscribe to my channel. If you wish to watch my upcoming videos, please do turn on the notification bell button near the subscription button to receive all my upcoming videos notifications. If you wish to contribute to my channel, you can click the super button below the video to contribute to my channel. For more crochet tutorials, you can check out my channel playlist. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.